In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Shopify store to Zendrop. We'll walk through the process step by step, so by the end, your Shopify store will be fully linked to Zendrop and ready for dropshipping. Make sure you're already logged into your Shopify account in a web browser before you begin, so you don't have to stop midway. Start by opening your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the main backend page where you see your orders, products, and navigation on the left side. At the very top of the page, you'll see a search bar. Click on that search bar. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with different sections of your store's admin. From that drop-down, click on Apps. This takes you into the area where you can manage and add new apps to your Shopify store. With the Apps section open, type the word Zendrop into the search bar on your keyboard, then press Enter. Shopify will now take you to the Shopify App Store, showing results related to Zendrop. In the search results, look for the app called Zendrop AI Dropshipping and Pod. This is the official Zendrop app that integrates directly with Shopify. Once you've found it, click on it to open the apps page. On that page, you'll see an install button. Go ahead and click install. This is how you begin connecting Zendrop to your store. After you click install, the page will reload and show you a list of permissions and access that Zendrop needs from your Shopify store. This can include things like managing products, orders, and customer information. Take a moment to scan through the list just so you understand what the app can do on your behalf. When you're ready, click the install button again to confirm. The page will reload once more and display the usage billing details for Zendrop. This is where Shopify shows any usage-based charges or subscription information associated with the app. Review this section so you know how billing will work, then click Approve to continue. Once you approve the billing, the page will reload a final time and automatically redirect you into the Zendrop interface. At this point, your Shopify store is now connected to Zendrop, and you can start exploring products, setting up your listings, and managing your dropshipping business directly through the integration.